Hello guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Oakley Chamfer Squared. The model number on these is the OX8143. Today I'm going to be showing you the Universe Blue color in the 52 size. It does come in two different sizes, the 52 and 54. The 52 is like a small, and the 54 is like a medium going on to large, but and I have a large head, it does not fit me. So inside we get the Oakley manufacturer's warranty booklet, the Oakley black hard case with the Oakley logo. Inside, it features the Oakley O logo on the inside. And then it also comes with the cloth slash pouch case. I think these are missing. I think these come with the extra nose pieces. This one, it was not in there. So unfortunately I can't show it to you, but it should come with I believe 3 because like the frame here, interchangeable nose pads, but these didn't have it in the case. Unfortunately I can't show it to you, but it comes with different sizes, so if you have a smaller nose or a big nose, you can just change these out like earbuds, Alright, so the frames are, I believe it's, they call it the O-Matter material. It's Oakley's, like, basically plastic. It is very lightweight. It also features nice rubber ends here for better grip, so it doesn't fall off your head. Now the frames are made in China, like most Oakleys. So the code on the blue one is the OX8143. That's the model. The color is 04 in a 52 size. Yeah, these are also for men's. So the Universe Blue is kind of like a dark blue. It is a really cool looking frame. Alright guys, thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.